What do you need? I said chaser. Search up, man. Yeah. Fuck with the trap. Girl, I said it in tough.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley Liani, aka it's your girl Cash Liani. Hey, it's your girl Cash Liani. And in today's video, I will be doing an unboxing and review on BetterLength hair extensions. So if you guys want to see me open up this package and show you what kind of hair I got, then definitely stay tuned. The company BetterLength Hair contacted me to do a review for you guys, so this is what they sent me. Before we get into the hair itself, I just want to let you guys know a little bit more about the company BetterLength. So BetterLength specializes in texturized clip-ins. So as you can see on this website that I'm showing you guys, this is their website. They have clip-ins for curly hair, kinky hair, and the one that I am reviewing today is the light Yaki, which is meant to match relaxed hair. So this is just an awesome site for women of color or people who have thicker, curlier, kinkier hair. And they also gave me a coupon code for you guys, so it will be listed down below in the description box. And this coupon is for $5 off any double wefted clip-in extensions. The package was sent through DHL and it came really fast. It came, you know, typical 3 to 4 days. So yeah, actually, I believe it took about 2 or 3 days. Not even 3 or 4. It took 2 or 3 days. So inside that bag is this little plastic, and then it's, let me just zoom out a little bit. It's the hair extensions. It comes in a silk bag and it has a drawstring. The bag is double lined, which is great because that means I could definitely keep my hair extensions in here. So inside is the receipt. They sent me the light Yaki clip-in set. The color is number 1, aka jet black, and it's 18 inches long. Alright, so since these are clip-ins, you know they go by, I believe, grams. So the density is 160, so I'm just gonna open that up for you guys. So this is the first time we running through the hair, and it's definitely a Yaki texture. But as you can see, my hands are going straight through it. So these are clip-ins. The clips are already attached to the hair, so I'm just going to open up the hair and show you guys what I got. I also want to say the hair came with a needle and thread and an extra clip-in, I guess, just in case it comes right out. So I'm just going to pop open these gold things close. So I'm just gonna unravel the hair. So this one, the first piece has 2 clips. Then I have another 2-piece clip. Let me see. So both of these pieces are the same size and length. A 3-clip section, another 3-clip section. And I noticed that these are all double wefted, so that's why the density is this thick. And then I have a 4-piece clip, and then I have 2 smaller 2-piece clips, and then this is the last one. So in total I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces to work with, and that's enough for full hair. Now they did recommend me to get a jet black because my hair looks jet black, but actually it is a pretty close match. So what I'm gonna do is, since my hair is a little, you know, curly and whatnot, I'm just gonna brush it through and use my trusty flat iron to straighten my hair to match these extensions. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part, and then I'll come back to you guys when I am installing the clip-ins. So since my hair is actually more silkier than the extensions itself, because my hair is not relaxed and my hair is just finer and silkier than the clip-ins, I'm not going to fully straighten my hair to the fullest potential. I'm just going to lightly straighten it just to match the clip-ins. Okay, so now that my hair is all straightened, I'm going to begin placing the clips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a part on the back of my head. I'm gonna take a 2-piece clip, bend it to unsnap it, and then clip it right in. Just want to see how the extensions straighten. And they straighten beautifully. Oh, I'm just gonna keep doing that until I get to the top. So my hair is cut bluntly, so it might be a little harder to blend. A 3-piece section. So that's blending in pretty good with my blunt hair. Now I'm gonna take the 4-piece clip. Do a middle part, so now I'm just gonna part some hair to cover the tracks. I'm gonna take this 2-piece clip. is how my hair turned out using the extensions. Now you guys know that my hair is cut bluntly, so it makes it a little bit harder for me to blend with these extensions. But I must say, because they're double wefted, my hair like blends in. I'll turn around for you guys to see the back. Let me just make sure everything's covered. So this is how it looks. So I love these extensions. They match my hair pretty close. My hair is a little lighter, but overall, like you could barely see when it starts and ends, and you can only see that because my hair is cut bluntly. But other than that, girl, you need these extensions. So once again, they sent me the light Yaki texture, length 16 inches, and the density is 160. Even though my hair is a little bit silkier than the extensions, it matches really well, and I love the thickness of it. I just want to thank BetterLength Hair for sending me these extensions because they look so bomb. I will leave all their links down below in the description, also the specs. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know if you think it came out good. If you want to see more videos including these clip-in extensions, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.